What is up, guys? Welcome back again, and today we are working on my 2013 Ford Focus, and we're going to be fixing the check engine light code P144A. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we go. We have the code P144A, which is basically the purge solenoid valve or purge valve that's for the Evap system. So we're going to be replacing that valve. Now, I replaced this valve on so many of these 4-cylinder Ford engines that I honestly don't have to test it. This is such a common issue with this vehicle. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. I'm going to tell you where it's at on this 2013 Ford Focus, how to replace it, and the part number. All right, so this is the part number straight out of Ford right there. If you guys need it, something like that, there it goes right there. And the valve is this one right here. So I mean, usually you can actually take it off without moving a lot of stuff around, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off this boot just so I can have a better angle and show you guys how to remove it. So first off, I'm gonna undo this fastener here, this one here, take off this hose. To remove this hose, you gotta press right here on both sides and pull it straight out. And then this one has a little clip right here on the gray side, and then pull it straight back, and I'm going to take that off and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. This is a solenoid here. It's held together with a bracket on a bolt right there, if you guys can see it right there. And it has this connector here with a green tab here, and back there that other green tab. You guys can see it right there, the other green tab. So just that green tab over there, that green tab over there, and then that's the connector right there, and that's pretty much it. So let me start taking this thing off. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by this line here. It just kind of unclips. It has a little hook there, and there it goes. And then I'm just gonna follow this bracket here. This bracket looks like it goes all the way over here, so we gotta remove it from here. And then we gotta undo this bolt right here. And like I said, that bolt down there looks like they're both 10mm. This one right here, that one's loose. Move these hoses out of the way and break that one loose. There it goes, it's loose also. I'm gonna undo this connector here, just press on it. There it goes, comes out. Let me move this one up a little bit, and then just with my hand I'm gonna loosen up this nut here. Take this other bracket that's in front of it off. Just kind of slide it off. There it goes. This one's also loose. Now you're gonna undo the bottom one. There it goes. And then comes off with the whole bracket. There it is. It's completely loose. Now, just to undo those green tabs over there. There goes that one. And then here. Now that's that connector over there, that green tab. So let me take it off. Let me get my hands in there and I'll show you how those clips are supposed to come off of that connector. There it goes. Now you press the green tab and pull it straight up, and there it goes. Now to take it off. There it goes. Okay, this is the green connector right here. When you see it, all you see is this green tab here. This thing on the back, these two little tabs right here on the side, if you guys can see them, this green tab sticking out, those are like safety clips. So all you gotta do is on either side, push it back and you'll see it pop out. There it goes, and it'll usually stay like that. Once that's out, all you gotta do is press this green thing here, this green tab here, and it opens it up, and then you pull it straight out. Now the new one, alright, so the new one already comes with the tabs pop out. So once you put the hose in there, you should be able just to press this in and clip it back into place. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together and then turn it on. Okay, so here we go. It's facing this way, just like the other one. So now let me move all this out of the way. This one goes in here. This one went under this one's and behind this one's. And this one also went, we gotta try to route it the same way that it went out. This one went in here like this. This bracket went behind all these wires and into this one here. There it goes, and then this one went there, and then this one went into this one. Gotta press it in all the way. And then you clip it back into place like I said. Now the back one, the green one. There it goes, it clips into place now. Now this one went here. And now to put on those two nuts where they went. That one went up there and the other one went up right here on the bottom. I'll take this one off again. There it goes, now the connector. Just double check that it's in here firmly, all the way in here. There it goes. Now this one here, this one went inside this little tab here. There it goes. Put on my boot back in place, and I think we're alright, guys. So we're all set. We're ready to replace our purge valve on this 2013 Ford Focus. Now the only thing left to do is connect our ODB and clear out the coats. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. That's the reason why the check engine light turned on this vehicle. Alright, guys. So I really hope this video helps somebody out. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.